Today we are gonna talk about the dream big or dream big. I watched a video and felt shocked, very surprised and also happy for this great woman. The video is about a 94 years old woman who went skydiving because she thought she had to live in the moment. I especially admire her courage when she wanna jump outside of her world. Do you know how tough her decision was? Think about it. Do you also dare to try something very exciting? Well, let me explain my question. Did you have any dreams 10 years ago? And now, how's your dream? Or did you always make wishes on your birthday but have no results year by year? My dear, look at this great maiden. She feared nothing and made a huge jump on her 94th birthday. How cool she is! We always say, I'm gonna do something after blah 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 blah. So Gary Vee told his audience and readers over and over again, get rid of gonna, you are going to die. That's right. Life is too short to use gonna. Just do it. Make your wishes become true. Although teachers told us don't do impulsive things, but sometimes being overly careful just means you dare not to try. You dare not to do something bigger for yourself. You can dream big, then do things now. How about setting a target but do nothing all year long? Let's dream big. If you can choose to dream big, why do you dream big? Let's get up. Cheer up. Dream big.